It's me.
Hello, it's me, and I've got a box. And you know what I like to do with boxes, Jessica?
What do you like to do with boxes?
I like to unbox them. That's the only reason why people box things. Do you want to unbox it?
Yeah.
Do you know how to use a knife?
Yeah.
Do you understand how... Oh, I guess you do.
So it's me, and today
Now,
I will be unboxing this.
Such delivery. Wow, you've got the heart of a surgeon and the brains of an internist.
Today I will be unboxing the other side.
The other side, well, that's a whole other video. Careful, careful, little fingers chop off easy.
I can't seem to get it.
There you go. There you go. Awesome. Okay. Now I think I can do this now. Haha. Ho ho. You know who's gonna do this? All right. I'm just gonna do one little thing here. Oh, don't pout. You did a good job. All right. Excellent. So, wow. It's been hermetically sealed. Whatever that means. Oh, we've got a number of puzzles here. I think I know what this is. So this comes from Kevin Kuhrik, and we have a couple of things, a couple of puzzles. First off, I've got a crumbled piece of paper here, and let's see what this is. Let's see what this is. I'm all excited. Wow! What are you? This is unanticipated. Very cool. Who are you? Wow, so I'm going to have to look into what this is, but it looks like there's a couple of ways this moves. Looks like a fairly simple design, but I've got a corner turning over here, an edge turning over here, and here's the face over here. So I'm going to come back to you and find out just who you are. It's a pyramidal puzzle, and it looks like if this were a side, these pieces here don't scramble with each other, but they do scramble with the edge. So this is a neat little puzzle. This is very cute. So I'm going to be looking into what this is. This is a finishing of a layer by layer Tetrahexaminx solve. If there's any interest in that, let me know, because that's actually a lot of fun. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So we've got a couple of puzzles. I have a whole series here. Wow, there's more than I remember. Oh, well, so the first thing to look at is I had some extra stickers sent to me for this puzzle over here. This is the, what are you? This is the, who are you? The Tetra Hexamins. So this is a corner turner. Well, it's a, I guess, corner turner and a face turner based on what's called the Tetrahexaminx. Say that 5 times fast. So basically it's like a 3x3 plus a corner turning hybrid. So I've yet to show this one, but I accidentally lost one of these little stickers here. Let's put this guy down. So I got some extra stickers. Let me just make sure that this is indeed what it appears to be. And yes, good. So I have a full set of stickers for this Tetrahexaminx. So I'm going to just pull them out willy-nilly. I really enjoyed that series of puzzles. So this is, who are you? Wow. This, I believe, is a Tetrahexaminx 2. So this also is another hybrid, another tetrahedron, equivalent to another 3x3 corner turning hybrid. So as I turn this over here, so this has a little bit more pieces to it, so it might be a little more deep. And let's see what else turns. Oh, okay, so this whole section here turns. So this is a face turner over here. Then we have the corner turning aspect over here. And does anything else turn? Anything else? I think that's it. Corner turning and face turning. Just like this is corner turning here. And also face turning here. So promises to be an interesting challenge. This guy is a little deeper. It's cut a little bit deeper. Okay, so what else do we have? Because I really enjoyed that entire series. Let's get this big guy out of the way. So let's see what this is. So it looks like the same thing. I don't know if this is the 3 or the 4. I'm going to sort that out later and kind of show as I do each one individually. So how does this guy turn? How do you turn? Well, this these tiny faces here turn. So that's good. I may work out some of the stiffness. And what else turns here? Okay, so this is interesting. If this is a face, then this is an edge turner. So I see that the edge is turning over here. And is that it? Might I have some corner turning? Nope, no corner turning. So this appears to be what I guess I would call a tiny baby face turning here. And then in addition to that, I've got a large edge that turns here as well. So that is cool. Let me make sure that there's no other turning that I should know about. Alright, so this is another version here. I don't know if I'd call that 3 or the 4. So I think this is the Tetrahexaminx 3. So that appears to be edge turning. So let's see what else we have in this series. I'm just going to pick another random one out. Okay, now we have this guy over here. Now who are you? What do you do? What is your... So this is a deep cut here. This is a real deep cut. So this almost, yeah, this goes right down to the core. That's fascinating. So aside from that, what else turns here as I discover this? Is it all just deep cuts here? I'm sure there's something else. Maybe not. Do we jumble? Oh, something else is starting to move here. Okay. So in addition to these deep cuts, I'm not even sure what I would call a face, I've got these superficial cuts over here. Alright, so I've got these cuts here. Alright, if we call this a face, it's almost like a chop. We chop it right down through here. And through each one of these faces we have these deep cuts. And then we have an edge. So this is a combination edge turner and deep chop turner over here too. So I'm going to really have to think very carefully about the solve strategy with this. Alright, so a lot of opportunities. And so Tetrahexaminx, Tetrahexaminx 2, Tetrahexaminx 3, I guess I would call you 4. Your Tetrahexaminx 4. So we've gone from corner turning and face turning with these two, this is a little deeper, to edge turning and edge turning, and what else did we say? Corner turning? Or is it just pure edge turning? Edge turning, oh, and face turning, to deep turning over here, 4, Tetrahexaminx 4. And then finally, I think we have one more. So this is this is like the king of them all. This would be the Tetrahexaminx 5. So let's see how this turns. So this is a lot more components to it. We've got an edge turning over here. What else do we have? We have a deep, whoa, yeah, edge turning. We've got a deep chop turner over here. And we've got, ooh, a small face turning over here as well. So face turning, edge turning, and a deep chop it in half slice turn over here too. So this looks like a combination of a couple puzzles. So this has the deep turning of this guy and the face turning of this guy, which is a variant, but no corner turning. Or is there? Nope, I don't think there's a corner turning here. Okay, so yeah, a little more intricate. And like I said, I'm going to kind of get into the details of what this is later. I'm just sort of playing around with it right now. And the turning is really, really very smooth. It's FDM printed, so not the laser printed like I'm used to, but it seems to move pretty well. Anything else? Well, we do have extra stickers, which is always good, and we have bases. So this is going to look really nice. Okay, I wonder if there are different bases for different puzzles. I would imagine perhaps so. Let's see how you guys fit on here. Oh, by the way, I think I know what this one is. This is the flower tetrahedron. The flower tetrahedron. And I didn't anticipate that. So I love seeing very simply made and easily playable puzzles. So that's very cool. Okay, so let's see how we fit these into its the various stands. You try to put them in order. Oh, I think it fits into here. Good. Whoops. Fits into here. This fits into here. And this fits into here. These are cute little stands. So Kevin knew how much I love collections. Now let's see if I can line it up. Okay, so here it is, the entire Tetrahexaminx series, which are all tetrahedrons. I'm going to just play with these a little bit, experiment with them, then I'll come back with a more in-depth analysis of the movement and the solve later. But this is one of the more unique and fascinating aspects of my collection. That when looking at it head-on and seeing a collection like this, it just shows the beauty and the art, the artistry of engineering and structure and form that Twisty Puzzles can actually provide. I mean, this is more than just a toy or a neat-looking challenge. It's actually very, very artistic looking. So it just shows what happens when you get ingenuity and creativity to design puzzles like this. So I'm just imagining this along with the other puzzles in the collection. So I say to Kevin, thank you so much for the opportunity to expand my collection to these wonderful different shapes, well beyond just the platonic solids. And thanks again for this cute little number over here. More on this later, and just lined up here. Thanks for watching.